In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a spreadsheet in Lark. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening Lark, creating a new sheet, and starting your data entry with confidence, all while letting Lark handle saving for you in the background. Start by opening the Lark app. From the main screen, head to your Drive or Docs section. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the sidebar on desktop or along the bottom on mobile. This space is your central hub for files, so it's the right place to create and manage anything you'll work on, including spreadsheets. Once you're in Drive or Docs, look for the New button. It might appear as a plus sign or a button labeled New. Click it to open the Creation menu. From the options, choose Sheet or Spreadsheet. Lark uses these labels interchangeably in some views, but both point to the same tool. With a single click, Lark will spin up a fresh, blank spreadsheet and place it in your Drive automatically. A new grid will appear, with columns labeled A, B, C across the top and rows labeled 1, 2, 3 down the side. This grid is made up of cells, and each cell is where your data lives. Click any cell to select it and start typing. Press Enter to move down to the next row, or Tab to move right to the next column. If you need to correct something, press Backspace or use Undo. You can also paste data you've copied from elsewhere, and Lark will fit it into the cells for you. As you begin entering information, it helps to think in terms of structure. Many people use the first row for headers, like date, name, or amount, so everything under each header stays consistent. Keep similar types of information in the same column, and use separate rows for each item or record. This makes sorting and analyzing much easier later on. If you're entering numbers, Lark will generally recognize them, which can be helpful if you start doing calculations down the road. You can navigate quickly with the arrow keys, and if you need to select several cells at once, click and drag or hold Shift while pressing the arrows. One of the best parts is that you don't need to worry about saving. Lark saves your spreadsheet automatically to your Lark Drive as you type. You may notice a small saved or syncing indicator letting you know your changes are preserved. That means you can close the window or switch devices without losing work, as long as you have an internet connection. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, go to Drive or Docs, create a new sheet, and start entering data into rows and columns. Simple, fast, and safely saved.